In this lesson, we're going to do a finger exercise, but it's that lick in Heart and Soul by Huey Lewis and the News. My name is Brandon. This is MyPOVGuitar. I help you learn guitar from the player's point of view. Let's get down to it. This is going to be fun. It's a finger exercise, but it's actually that cool lick in Heart and Soul by Huey Lewis and the News. Okay, this is kind of like a finger exercise, like a spider exercise, except it's cool because you're playing this cool riff. I'm going to put tablature up on the screen, and tablature, if you're not familiar with it, it's the 6 strings of the guitar from your point of view, and the numbers indicate which frets to play on which string. It doesn't tell you which fingers, but I'm going to help you with that. So it's on the 12th fret, which is your double dots, right? And on the 5th string, so the second one from the top. I would use my ring finger. Then it goes to the string under it, the 4th string on the 11th fret. And then back to that 5th string, 12th fret. Okay. So it's boom, boom, boom. Then we go to the 3rd string on the 9th fret. Then we go to the 4th string, so you're going to go up to the 11th, and then it's a walk down. It's 11, 10, 9. Okay? Then you drop to the 3rd string and do that walk down again. 11th down to the 9th. So I'd start with my ring. That way you can just kind of go back and forth between your ring and middle on that part, and use my index on that part. And now you're set up to do ring, middle, first. Ring, middle, first. And that's the first movement. This lick goes, it does other things where it has like octaves in it and another guitar part. We're just going to do the first 2 parts. So it's basically, it's going to do the same thing again, except it omits 1 note. So before we were doing that 3-note walk down, this time it just goes straight from the 11th fret to the 9th fret with a pause. So you have a space for that 3rd note. And then you do the 3 again. So it's okay. And what I would do, and you'll figure out what works for you, on those 3-note walk downs, I pick down, up, down, up. And if you notice, there's not a lot of movement with my wrist. It's all in the, or in my hand, it's all in the wrist. So on that first part, I pick down, and when I drop down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Once you kind of get into a pattern of down, up, it just makes sense. And down, up, especially on those 3-note walk downs, practice that. Think of it as a finger exercise, not only for your left hand, but your right hand. And if you just want to break it up, once you get to that, especially that double section of 3-note walk downs is really fun to play. If you want to just practice that with dexterity, to get your dexterity. I'm going to give you a couple of bonus things. I'm not going to use tabs or chord diagrams, but I am going to show you the main riff in the chorus. And so it's a power chord going from G to A. And if you don't know how to do power chords yet, anyway, just on the top string on the 3rd fret, use your index finger, and you can do your ring. I use my pinky on the 5th string, 5th fret. So you just strum those 2 notes. Okay. So you're on the 3rd fret, slide up to the 5th. That makes that A, and it's kind of a slide. That's a good practice too, because you're using the momentum with one strum. You don't pick it all the time on a slide, right? You pick it once and then you slide. Okay. So that way, if you just want to play that part too, that's cool. And one other thing, if you know how to play an F, move it up, starting on the 5th, where your ring finger's on the 7th, and play an F there, and don't strum just like with an F. Strum from that 4th string down. Add your pinky on the 2nd string, 7th fret. And then slide all that down. That's the light part of that song. It's kind of just like the chorus. So if you're using those high strings. So I hope this helps, guys. This is a really cool practice. It's something you can do, learn a song at the same time. I used to call it practice with a purpose. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel and check out more lessons at MyPOVGuitar.com.